Hello everyone, it's Courtney with Doodle Dollars. I am here today with a little tutorial. This is a little different than my other videos, but someone asked me how to post freebies on Kofi, so I thought I would just make a quick video and share with y'all how I do that. I haven't been doing it for very long, so it might be imperfect, but once you're on your Kofi page, you're going to click the little create button here, go down to sell something, and this little box will pop up. So you can sell digital items or physical items, and then make your title whatever you want your item to be called, and then you're going to click on next step. So then it opens up this other window here. You can write a description for your product. This is what people will see under your product listing. The next step is to add some images. So I usually, whatever product I have, I just save images of it as a PNG. And usually for my Kofi shop, I only use one. So upload your image there. Then write a little product summary. I usually just write, it's a 1-page PDF or 2-page PDF. Go into your categories and add your categories that the product is going under. You can always create a new category too if you need to. Then you're going to upload your file. I usually save mine as a PDF because I feel like that's easily accessible for everyone. And then you can set the price. So if you want it to be free, obviously you would keep it at 0. I always click enable what you want, or enable pay what you want, because I'm never going to turn down $1 if someone wants to throw that at me. You can optionally add a message for buyers after they purchase. So if there's specific instructions, or sometimes I just say happy savings, and then who can buy this item? Everyone. And I created the product, and then save and publish, or save as a draft. I hope this is helpful, guys, and let me know if you have any questions or if you want to see how I create my digital challenges. Bye!